This is Manny Pacquiao. You're watching PhilippineNews.com.
I don't see that.
Give me what you guys spoke.
Keep the clubhouse together, keep the harmony that you have, and keep fighting like dogs like you have, and take home another world championship.
Yes, yes, yes. Just to stick together and never quit like they've been doing. That's all we need.
Even when you might feel the lowest, if we have a bad streak or anything, keep your heads up because we're golden, baby. That's what we're gonna do.
I would say, guys, keep up your hard work. It's obviously paid off. Just keep doing what you're doing because your fans are here, faithful as always.
They're good players. I like their colors.
Where's our bag?
I like where they live. Oh yeah, and Buster Posey's cute. I like where they live. I like their team. I like pretty much everything. Yeah, they're San Francisco, man.
Just to keep enjoying the game. That's why they started playing, was they enjoyed the game. So just to keep having fun out there. If you have fun, then you'll be good.
Yeah, it's a good experience. Yeah, it's actually fun. I love it.
Everybody in your pocket.
I know.
Blow on it. My department's name.
Okay, just keep them coming through. We've reached the 100. There you go.
was over.
All right, Raymond.
So do we have to be in line to get
Bob Fitzgerald and Rod Rose. KNBR 16.
Guys, have your items out ready to be signed. We're at crunch time. No photos, please. Except the guy with the badge. What badge?
Season and every postseason. And part of that most certainly was Joe Panic, who joins us on the chair. Actually, we got two sofas here.
Right next door, not behind him, next door. Hey, guys. All right, who's playing second base over here? Did you tell Joe? Did you tell Joe you're playing second base? Hey, crunch time, guys. Keep it moving through. Have your items out, ready to be signed. Keep it moving through. The people that are in the back of the line will appreciate it. What are you doing back there? You're flying. You have a law firm that's
I've had to pee since the beginning of that line 4 hours ago, and we did it. Woo! We got an autograph.
I love them and just keep it up.
Thank you. We've been waiting since 2010, 2012, and 2014. So I always said if they won a championship once in my lifetime, that would be great. So
Now it's like triple frosting.
I would say I love you guys and keep up the good work, keep up the teamwork, and we're gonna win it in 2015. Woo! You can literally, Blanco, my favorite player. He does anything the Bochy asks him to do. He comes off the bench, he does it, he just works it. Love him. He knows the struggle is real. Love him. Blanco.
The Hunters. 100 pins and Strickland right there. They got it. Especially Pence. He's a beast, man. Woo!
Good luck. They're awesome. Great season and work hard.
Let's go Giants. Let's go Giants. Let's do it over again. Win a championship, that would be the. Let's do it over again.